Hi everybody, I am doing an unboxing today of something I picked up from, as you can see, Louis Vuitton. My client advisor gave me some samples per usual. I will try those out. I'm not really, there's not a scent that I found from Louis Vuitton that I'm loving. My purchase is in here, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'd be happy to try whatever you guys recommend. She put in this luggage tag thing. I think you can put like a note or something in this one. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so let's undo this. Oh. Big box. Do you have any guesses? Dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! I did end up getting her again, just in the different print. So if you guys have watched my channel before and are a subscriber, you know that I did purchase the Louis Vuitton CarryAll PM in the nautical collection, and that was the white cloth fabric material with the different colored, I guess, thread interwoven and to create the LV logos. But it just didn't work out for me because I was just really worried about corner wear, because it is, at the end of the day, a cloth bag. You know what I mean? It's cloth and it's a lot of money, and I know that I'm probably gonna mess it up easy. And also another thing, the Vachetta leather is untreated on that nautical collection, which it made it more beautiful. It will patina over time, but the fact that this is already pre-patinaed made me feel more comfortable. My mini bum bag is pre-patinaed, or pre-treated I should say, and I haven't had any issues. I've been caught in the rain with it. My original bum bag, the bigger version, the original one that they came out with from years back, that has a lot of rain and stains and etc. Anyways, I did get this because, let me set it down real quick. Put this box away. So I got this bag because, funny enough, I bought this version off of eBay, and this one came with like a smell to it, and just, I know eBay authenticates it, but just the peace of mind was not there. There's some sort of like watermarks or something. There's something on the canvas itself that's kind of reflective. Not sure what that is. Of course, I'm not gonna touch it because I'm not keeping it. Clearly there's some stains on the inside of the bag, and yeah, I was just not 100% on the authenticity of it. And also, it didn't come with a pouch. Granted, it was $900 cheaper retail, with tax. That's with tax, compared to buying this. But this, I have peace of mind. It comes with the pouch. If anything were to happen with mine, I know that I can bring it back to the store and they'll hopefully do right by me, right? As for this one, like, I have no ways of knowing. But yes, I thought I would, let me just buy it because it's a good deal, X, Y, and Z, but it came with an odor and I just very underwhelmed with it. And also, oh, let me show you guys. Put my bag down. This one, this has like black marks right here. don't know if that's gonna show right there, from the tarnishing of the hardware. So if you have this bag or anything of Louis Vuitton's with hardware and it's like attached to leather, maybe do a wipe down or detach it if you're not wearing it when you're just storing it for an extended amount of time, just so that you can prevent that tarnishing on the leather itself. But this is the bag. It comes with the adjustable detachable strap that can cross body. Comes with the luggage tag at the front. I did love the nautical luggage tag because it's that mirrored effect with the LV logos. This is very meh. And you get the 2 strings that we'll figure that out later. The interior is just one opening like this, and it does come with the detachable pochette, and the inside is this burgundy purpley color. Comes with a zip pocket right here and then 2 slip pockets in there. It comes with 4 feet at the bottom as well, and it has some reinforcement, some vaquera leather on the sides right there, the red piping. And I like my adjustment on the second. So cute. And yeah, let's do some mod shots. Excuse the mess. I am 5 feet tall and size 15-16 for measurement's sake. This is how it looks on the shoulder. Let me move my chair. It's very casual, mom on the go. I will link all my socials down below. Please follow me, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!